Hello. In this guide, you'll get to know how to install and use the OKR board for Jira. This is not a complicated process. Just follow the steps of the guide and you'll manage how to use it in your company. So, let's go. First, you may start a free trial to get acquainted with the app and understand if it is good for you. To start, find OKR Board app in the Atlassian Marketplace, then click to install it. The OKR Board app has a 30-day free trial period. Let's start an introduction from Workspaces. The logic is similar to Jira projects. You can create private workspaces and invite certain people to track OKRs in there. Main idea? To have private spaces for different teams to manage their OKRs separately. To create or manage Workspace, find the down arrow in the left upper corner and choose the appropriate command. Workspace can be private or public. There are several approaches to use Workspace: for small companies, for big companies, for private OKRs, for different products, businesses inside one Jira instance. After creating Workspace, we need to create business groups. This business group should represent the org structure of your company or department or business unit which will use this workspace. To do it, go to Setting in the right upper corner and find the command Create Group. You need to create a name for group, for example, Customer Success, and add users. There you have three options: add specific users, pull users from the Jira group only once, or sync this business group with the Jira group. In this case, your business group will be always synced with your Jira group. Toggle Synchronization can disable or enable this feature. After adding groups and users, we need to set roles for users. You may choose one of the 5 roles: read-only role, user without delete permission, user, a person who can edit only OKRs, belongs or assigned to this user, team lead, person who can edit any OKRs belonging or assigned on his team. Workspace admin, it's a person who can do everything within this workspace. And also, we have an additional role administrator, the person who can do everything within the OKR board app. OKRs help to achieve the right goals systematically because they work in cycles. The most common business cycles are annual. This long-term vision will provide the basis for recognizing your business priorities for the next 12-month period. Annual OKRs can be broken down into quarterly OKRs or tactical cycle. In OKR Board, you can create a cycle for any period of time, year, quarter, month, etc. To do it, find the list of cycles in the upper left corner. Then choose Manage Cycles. Click on the button Create Cycle in the right upper corner, create the title, choose the time period, set the start and the end date, and confirm your actions. If the cycle is over, you can move it to archive status and freeze the grades for the future retrospective sessions. Now, let's understand objectives and key results in the OKR Board app. There are 3 types of objectives: company, group, and personal. All objectives can be aligned with objective from any cycle or workspace. Each objective can have only one parent objective and multiple KRs, Jira issues, and child objectives. Status of OKRs can be updated automatically based on progress and timeline. If you decide to change the default value, you're able to choose the different confidence level manually. Key results. You can create your custom key result or use Jira issue. Jira issue also can be used as a key action. If you use Jira story or task, then it will be based on the resolution status of this story or task. If you use Jira Epic as a KR, then the grade of it will be based on the number of resolved issues inside this epic. Key result can have different type of results: number, percentage, or binary. You can use Jira Issue View to see parent OKR for this Jira issue and edit it as well. To every objective and key result, you may set custom weight. This can be used when not all goals are equal. Custom weight helps you to specify which of them are more or less important. To change the custom weight, click on the button Custom Weight, then choose Manual Management, and set the required custom weight and watch how the impact of the task is changed. Let's have a look at OKR Explorer versus Alignment. To navigate through OKRs, you can use Explorer and Alignment tabs. This is a very convenient tool to see the whole structure of your OKRs. Explorer. It's a plain list of objects with the possibility to see nested items. Alignment shows all the aligned items as a tree. You can search by assignee, group, current grade, OKR type, or due date. All search results can be exported into Excel file or shared with colleague via link. To have a better understanding of how teams and individuals are performing, you may use dashboards. Take more accurate and immediate action to ensure everyone is on track. See which part of the cycle passed and how many days left to achieve the goals. You may search for your issues in Jira with the most powerful and flexible way through JQL, or Jira Query Language. JQL aliases make searching in Jira easier. The plugin offers the aliases under the namespace OKR and provides an intuitive way of using the functions in Jira's advanced searching. These aliases are a first-class citizen in Jira and can be used in filters or dashboards. Our platform consists of a set of RESTful APIs that allow you to quickly and easily integrate the platform with your BI applications. Go to Settings, choose the section API Tokens, and create an API token. Start with our documentation to learn about the most common API uses. Go to Support, then choose our Guide and FAQ. Here, you'll find all the necessary info which you may require in the process. Thanks for watching this video. Get your free trial account right now and grow your business like never before.